Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can check your current workload in your project on GanttPro in 2026, for example, to track your own progress on a task or in a project. So let us dive into this, guys. So what you want to do first is navigate to a project. Here on the left panel inside GanttPro, you will see that folder button, all projects. Click into it and select a project from that list below. Now, there are two ways how you can access your workload, guys. One way would be to simply use the workload view here. There you go, and you will see the statistic, for example, for users, which is me in this case here, for example, for the given day, how many tasks have been completed or how many hours and so on and so forth. And you can customize the range here, for example, the mode from hours to tasks and so on and so forth. And the other option, guys, would be to navigate to another view like a board or a Gantt chart and simply enable or expand that field here at the bottom, workload. Click into it, and it is basically going to show you the same statistics we just saw here. And that's it. You may, of course, apply the workload to a specific project or all active projects within your GanttPro account. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.